everyone! In today's video, we are doing an on-location portrait photo shoot on the Fujifilm XT-4, and I'm going to be using two lenses today. I have the XF16mm f1.4 and the XF23mm 1.4 as well. We're going to be shooting on the streets of Sydney, so we're going to have lots of lines and cool textures in the background of our photos, which I'm really excited for. And I also want to say a huge thank you to Fujifilm Australia for letting me borrow this whole kit and be able to take some photos and make some videos for you guys. I hope you enjoy!
Wow, this looks super clean. Like all the colors are really nice here. It's awesome. You can kind of do like a bigger movements, like the kind of like kicking and stuff as well. Yeah, that's perfect. Oh, I like that. Yeah, I like that, even if you kind of like stretch up. Yeah, maybe like one hair or like that? Yeah, oh yeah, like that. That's nice, yeah. Yeah, that's cool. Yeah, I love that, like your shape looks really cool there. Perfect. These look so good.
Today's model is Letitia, who I love working with. Lydia has done makeup and Dan is behind the camera filming. I also edited all the photos from this photo shoot with my full Lightroom preset pack, but there will be lots of straight out of the camera photos for you guys to look at of pretty much all the photos from today.
Do you want to try if you can kind of like hang on to the tree?
First up, I am starting the shoot off on the XF16mm f1.4, which is the full frame equivalent of 24mm. So this is kind of an unconventional lens for portrait photography, but I do think you can get some cool results with it.
Yeah, maybe if you just kind of like rest your hand on your head. And then could I get you, if you could like kind of sit as much as you can on the little ledge there. Maybe I'll shoot like kind of this way. Maybe if you sit with your legs kind of out. Yeah, like that. Oh, bin.
I was trying to both play around with angles and exaggerate the spots I was shooting from, so I took a lot of shots very low to the ground throughout the afternoon, but I also mixed it up getting some flattering portraits on the 16-2 from more conventional portrait angles.
I'll try and get like a bit of a closer up shot here too.
By the way, I finally tried out Iridian and used it to convert my RAWs to DNG. I definitely noticed that the converted files are way sharper, so I will most likely be doing this to all my Fujifilm photo shoots in the future.
And then we'll switch lenses and we'll do some more
You might notice in the picture-in-picture that my focus point is quite large. Something I really like about the XT-4 is that you can change the size of your focus point depending on what you're after. So when I'm shooting wide-angle, full-body portraits, I actually find that having a small focus point can be distracting, as a lot of the time from these distances, it will pretty much just cover the subject's eyes and it's hard to see where they're looking and when they're blinking. So that's why I decided to use a larger focus point. Later, when we get some close-up photos, I enable IAF, so I have a smaller and more accurate focus point for those tighter shots.
I'm trying to get like a close-up here because the lighting is so beautiful.
You're doing it.
You can like kind of maybe put your elbow in. Oh no, I'm not. This one is nice. Yeah, do you want to try that? Oh my gosh, this lighting is so dreamy here.
I noticed this cool fence that was falling apart in someone's front yard where the sun was just shining on, so I was able to get some backlit portraits of Letitia with some nice ring light highlighting her hair.
Yeah, that's cool. Oh, now you can lean. Awesome. And then we'll head up that way as well.
It was so funny actually, while we were shooting here, the lady who lives in this house, the owner of this fence, started watching us and eventually she came outside and started saying how beautiful we all looked and that it was so nice that we were all working hard or something along those lines. It was very sweet but very random. Speaking of taking photos in people's front yards, this is something you guys ask me about all the time, and usually in Sydney and from my personal experience, people are really chill about it and I haven't ever had any issues. If I'm just taking photos with their fence or like some bushes that are out by the sidewalk, then I normally just shoot without asking, but I make sure to keep it quick, be quiet, and to not destroy anything, and if the owners ask me to leave, then I will. If I see something cool in their front yard or something closer to their house, then I always knock on their door and ask for permission, like I did with that cherry blossom shoot on the Sigma 35mm f1.2, to make sure that it's all okay.
That's cool. And then I just wanted one more. If we kind of stand out in the street and we'll have the houses more like in the far background of the shot. Yeah, just go around here. Awesome. And I'll get a full body shot kind of from down here as well. Oh, I like that. Nice big movement is cool. Do you want to do like a spin on the spot there? Awesome. So maybe we can do like over the shoulder. There's like, yeah, a little reflection if you go that way a little bit. Whoa, yeah.
It's that one up there.
Oh,
I was like,
yeah, you get like all the highlight on your face, looks amazing.
Yeah.
Ooh, that's cool. Thanks, hair.
I'd love to know which ones were your favorite photos down in the comments below. I personally really love that first close-up portrait I took on the 16mm. I'll probably post that to Instagram tonight. But as always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll leave my Fujifilm photo shoots playlist linked at the end of the video here if you want to watch more. Otherwise, I will see you all next week. Bye!